Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send a PowerPoint presentation in Messenger, whether you're sharing a school project, a business presentation, or any important slides. On your Facebook dashboard, we will head over to Messenger. To get there, all we need to do is click the Messenger icon in the upper right corner. Then, we will click See All in Messenger to get the full Messenger view. Once we're there, all we need to do is choose the person we want to send the PowerPoint to. Now, all we need to do is click the Attach a File button. This allows files up to 100 megabytes. After clicking it, we will select Show File so we can find the PowerPoint we want to send. Now we just need to locate the file. Once we find it, all we need to do is click Open. Once the file is ready, all we need to do is click Send or press Enter. As soon as we press Enter, the file will be sent. This is a simple way to attach and send PowerPoint files through Messenger, whether you're on your phone or computer. And that's it. We now know how to send a PowerPoint presentation in Messenger.